Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious white radish pickle. This simple recipe yields a crisp, tangy side dish perfect for any meal. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients and preparing them for the pickling process. It's a straightforward method that guarantees a fantastic result every time. Get ready to enjoy a homemade treat. First, thoroughly wash about 2 pounds of white radishes. Then, slice them thinly, about 1/8 of an inch thick for optimal texture. Place the slices in a bowl, sprinkle with a small amount of salt, and let them rest for 30 minutes. This step draws out excess water, ensuring your pickles stay crisp. Gently squeeze out any remaining liquid before moving on. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water with 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir the mixture well until the sugar and salt dissolve completely. Bring this solution to a gentle boil, then remove it from the heat. This hot brine is key to infusing the radish with delicious flavor. Carefully pack the squeezed radish slices into your clean, sterilized jar. Pour the hot brine over the radishes, ensuring they are fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly and allow it to cool to room temperature before refrigerating. For the best flavor, let them chill for at least 24 hours. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade white radish pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.